Listening comprehension. Listen to the dialogue and answer the questions 1 to 4. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
My flight is 4185. Is this the right desk? Yes, and I need your passport and your ticket, please.
Here you are.
Thank you. So, Mr. Sanders, are you traveling alone?
Yes, that's right.
Okay. And do you have any luggage to check in, Mr. Sanders?
Yes, this suitcase.
Could you put it on the conveyor belt, please?
Sure.
That's fine. What seat would you like?
A window seat, please.
Here is your luggage tag and your boarding pass. Your seat is 15B. Have a good flight.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Now, listen to the text and answer the questions from 5 to 8. Little Johnny and his mother were waiting for a bus. The mother asked Johnny to tell the driver that he is 4 years old, so that he could travel for free. As they got into the bus, the driver asked Johnny,
How old are you?
I'm 4 years old.
And when will you be 6 years old?
Asked the driver. When I got off the bus, answered Johnny. Now listen to the text and choose the picture. Text 1. This is the oldest building in London. It was founded by King William the Conqueror in the 11th century. During its long history, it was a royal palace and a fortress, a prison and a treasury. Today, it's just a tourist attraction. Text 2. This is a sky-blue two-story palace in Kiev. It used to be a residence of the Tsar family when they came to Kiev. Now formal events related to activities of the President of Ukraine are usually held here, award ceremonies, summits, and official receptions. Text 3. This monument of Kiev architecture is a grey cement building. There are sculptures of real animals and monsters inside and outside the building. Text 4. This is one of the most famous landmarks in the world. Its name is generally used to describe the clock tower as a whole. However, it is actually the main bell on the tower.